Welcome to my channel. We're doing another Sunday dinner recipe, and today we're doing barbecue chicken Jack Daniels style. The ingredients we need for this recipe will be whole chicken wings, some black pepper, some garlic powder, some poultry seasoning, smoked paprika, some Adobo all-purpose seasoning, some liquid smoke, some Jack Daniels honey barbecue sauce, some virgin oil, and of course, some old Jack Daniels whiskey.
Hello.
Now this next step may be a little controversial to some, but it is what it is. And me and my household, how we grew up, we clean our food when it comes from the market or the butcher or anybody. So in this step, I'm cleaning the chicken and rinsing off the bacteria from where it was packaged at, getting off the feathers, checking to make sure there's no dead spots or anything inside of the chicken. Yes, we clean the chicken off before we do it. The first rinse is just a cold water rinse, and that's just to get the surface level particles off. Now for the second rinse, I like to use a lemon. I cut it in half, I squeeze it in, and I run cold water through it, and I run water through it until it goes from murky to clear, and then I know that it's good for me. And I also give it another quick inspection to make sure I got all of the feathers and all of the chicken that's probably not good out of the pack, because I don't want to cook defective chicken and I don't want to spread any bacteria. Okay, now that I cleaned and rinsed off the chicken, I dry it and I get it ready to add the oils and the spices. I like to add in the virgin oil and the liquid smoke first and give it a quick mix to give it a nice little coating around the chicken. Until it looks like this. And then next, I like to add in the Jack Daniels. And I'm gonna add in just a little bit more, just for good measures.
Hello.
And this is my liquid base before I put in the seasonings. And now I will add in the other ingredients that I listed earlier, and I'll also put them on the side. Once I get all the rest of the ingredients in, I give it another quick massage to get all of the spices and herbs all infused inside and the oils with the chicken. Once you get everything all mixed up, the chicken should be completely covered and it should look like this.
Nice.
And again, it should look like this, completely covered, seasoned. And now at this point, it's safe to add in the Jack Daniel's barbecue sauce. And I give it another quick mix, and I massage all of the barbecue sauce in with all of the spices and the oils and everything, then get it all together, and that was ready to sit for a marinade. Now you can let your chicken marinate for a few hours. You can let it marinate overnight. I let mine marinate for 48 hours because I wanted to get the maximum infusion with everything so my chicken can come out tasting oh so lovely. So now I get up my pan, I line with aluminum foil. I know some people don't, but I don't like cleaning up a sticky pan, so I just use aluminum foil and get everything ready. Now after a 48-hour marinade, when you take the cover off, it smells so good. Like, it's just ready to go in the oven. So while I'm getting all this chicken seated comfortably and snugged inside of this pan, I preheat my oven to 370 degrees to get it nice and hot and ready for this uncovered oven cook. Some people do theirs covered, but I like the crispy texture, so I do mine uncovered. But let me know in the comments, do you rather have yours covered or uncovered while you cooking your chicken? And oh yes, you don't let nothing go to waste. Everything that was inside the pan for that marinade definitely gets sprinkled all over the chicken so it can get cooked in while it's in the oven. Okay, now after a good 45 to 50 minutes, it should come out looking like this, smelling great, because that Jack Daniel's is like definitely hitting it where it needs to go at. But now I add the barbecue sauce. Yeah, you see it. It's looking good, don't it? But yeah, we got to put it back in the oven for a couple more minutes so it can get that nice, sticky, icky, finger looking good, messy barbecue aftermath once it comes out the oven. There you go. Jack Daniel's barbecue chicken, sticky, finger licking good.
Bravo, bravo.